Chandan. My name is JIA. Today I will talk about books and TV shows. Books are paper and reading a book outside is great. And there are many types. There are many types of programs and TV shows that make you happy. But watching too many TV shows can make your eyes red and give you a headache. I prefer books. I have two reasons to support my opinion. My first reason is that here are many types of books, like comic, horror, fantasy, and many more. I read a comic book and it is very fun. I read a horror book and get very scared. So I like to read books. And I like Japanese books and history books because Japanese books are very fun and I like fantasy. When I read a history book, I learn about history and it is very interesting. A long time ago, I went to play outside with my family. I rode in my mom's car, but I was very bored. So I told my mom. Then my mom said, read a book. Then I read a book, so read a book outside and it is great. For this reason, I support my opinion. My second reason, watching too many TV shows are very bad. Because if I watch too many TV shows, my eyes become a red color. I don't do my homework and I get a headache. So TV shows are some fun but are bad for me. Then some TV shows are based on books. So I read the books, then I watch the TV shows. A long time ago, during the summer vacation outside is very hot. So stay at home, but I am bored. So watch TV for many hours. When my mom got home, she said, don't watch TV shows and do your homework. And watching TV shows for too long bad for you. So I didn't watch TV shows and I did my homework. So watching TV shows are bad for me. For this reason, I support my opinion. In conclusion, I prefer books because books are good for me and TV shows are bad for me. What type of books do you like? Thank you for listening to my presentation.